Welcome to Vanguard Chemistry. I'm Anish, and I'm the head Chemistry 3-4 tutor here at Vanguard.
And I'm Ved, the head 1-2 chemistry tutor at Vanguard.
We both scored a raw 50 in our respective years and have been teaching chemistry over the past few years. Chemistry 3-4 and Chemistry 1-2 are traditionally perceived as quite difficult, but Ved and I aim to break through that and make it as accessible as possible. In the 3-4 program, you get exclusive access to a variety of the major pillars which define success in this subject. Starting off, you have our SAC Workshops, which run weekly alongside our content masterclasses. And then with that, you will also have that one-on-one support outside of class in order to tailor learning to your standards. Lastly, we have our exam module workbooks at the end of the year. Chemistry can be a pretty daunting subject, and it requires practice and precision. Exam mindset and performance on the day of the exam is often one of the key defining features that defines your score. And so we offer a 10-week exam program where students will complete exam module workbooks weekly, as well as perfectly emulated mock exams at the end of the year so that students can practice under exam conditions.
Our Chemistry 1-2 course is very similar. We offer 2-hour weekly content masterclasses as well as a targeted practice booklet in order to hone in your skills on the basics and fundamentals of 1-2 chemistry. We focus on key topics that are important for 3-4, such as redox, stoichiometry, and organic chemistry. At the very end of our course, we also have a 4-week Head Start session focusing on exactly these topics to ensure you're set up perfectly for 3-4 chemistry. Our 1-2 course is not only just for understanding the fundamentals, it's to ensure you score highly in year 12 as well.
In terms of resources, you can expect the utmost highest quality. With term binders and SAC packs and content packs, you can expect as many resources as you'll ever need, ensuring that you achieve the best possible score. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free trial up above, and we'll see you in the classroom.